Recently, my 7-year-old son has asked me if I can build him a PC. Now, for this video, we're not going to be building a PC, but rather, we're going to be upgrading this PC. This is actually my old 7-year-old personal rig, which is a 4690K, and it has 1 terabyte of hard drive and 8 gigabits of memory. Because I wanted, let me show you, because I wanted to teach him that part of being a PC hobbyist is that these PCs or these units can be upgradable, okay? So, luckily, the Gaming 3 of Z97 from Gigabyte has an upgradable M.2 SSD slot. So, with this video, we're gonna ask an age-old question. Which is better? Is it better to prioritize upgrading to an SSD? This is an M.2 SSD from Samsung. This is the 970 EVO, for example. Or is it just fine to upgrade your memory? So this is another 8 GB of DDR3 1600 slot. With these, we're also gonna be putting some things for aesthetics. We're gonna be upgrading the stock cooler of this one. As you can see, this is the stock Intel cooler that we have here. And this is the Pure Rock Slim from Be Quiet. Okay, so we're gonna be using this. This is in the socket 1150. Okay, and aside from that, we have some stands, legs, because I don't know what happened to the legs of this one, so it needs additional stands for some ventilation in the bottom to come up. As for the testing methodology, what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna fire up Windows, and we're gonna check how long does it take with an additional memory or when upgraded to an NVMe M.2. Another thing is that we will open Adobe Photoshop and open a 2 GB file and check how long does it take. Does the SSD or the additional memory help? So we'll check that out, and here are the results. So, as you have seen from our results from the graphs, it seems that buying an SSD is actually the priority when upgrading your old computers. However, the SSDs only differed in, of course, the Windows startup and starting up of programs. But the handling of the computer, for example, the responsiveness, is actually still from the memory. I have noticed that when I was using the 8 GB memory on the SSD, the responsiveness of the system is still slow compared to when it was on 16 GBs of memory. Although, when starting the programs on the SSD is really fast, as you've seen on our graphs. However, when handling the system and the overall responsiveness of the programs, for example, inside Photoshop, after it has loaded from the HDD, once I have 16 GBs of RAM inside manipulating pictures, it is more responsive. So, as per our recommendation, this is actually a hard one, but I would suggest you to prioritize the memory, not the SSD. If you can do both, that's fine. That's the best work. That will be the best case scenario for you. But if you can only choose one, I would go for a memory because of the performance gain of the experience and not the speed of booting up, of opening up programs, not that. It's the responsiveness of the computer. That's it for this video. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I hope you like what we did here. We went for a metallic kind of black theme. As you've seen, we have the Dark Rock Pro installed. And yeah, also we did some maintenance routines. We changed the CMOS battery. And yeah, we cleaned everything up. So yeah, cable manage some, and I actually added one more HDD as an upgrade. So aside from the 1 tera that it had before, the Western Digital, there's another HDD that is 2 terabytes from Toshiba. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Like if you like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, please, as we're gonna be pumping out contents such as this one. And as usual, see you on the next video. Take care, guys.